So as you can see, it is already dark outside, and this is my dash cam that I have that we just got. When you turn on the car, it automatically shows you your reverse because it knows that you're going to back up first. So here's a car coming right here. You can see that even though it's dark out, the night vision is awesome, and the phone is actually not doing it justice, but you can see it crystal clear on my screen on the monitor. So if you touch this here, it's touchscreen, you'll see that it starts recording right away. So I have mine set to record in 3-minute increments, and you can actually lock the videos so that they can't accidentally be deleted. It also has GPS. As you see here, it tells you which way you're facing, and it records your speed if you want it to, but you can turn that off as well if you don't want to have that on there. It shows the time, it shows the date, and then of course the company name that I got it from, which is URVOLAX. So if I stop this here, you can see here, even when it's recording, you can switch the view. So now obviously this is the front view here, and then I'll show you. So even while it's recording, you have this option here to switch your views, so you can watch the back, the front, or you can have both the back and the front, which is really awesome. And it also comes with reverse lines for when you're reversing. We haven't hooked up ours yet, so it won't actually show it even if I put the car in reverse, but just to give you an idea, a lot of these cameras don't have the reverse lines right, and when you install the dash cams, you have to change the way that they're facing. But if you come in here and you look at my reverse lines, when I touch reverse line correction, I don't have to do anything because it is literally directly in the middle. It's exactly where it's supposed to be, and it beeps when you go through it. So this is by far, as you see, it started the recording over again because I went to the main screen. So now it's recording, and it's recording both regardless of what you're showing, whether you're showing the back view or the front view, or up. And you can also take a picture, as you see. I just accidentally hit the picture button, but it records both no matter what. And then, as I said, you can go back and you can play the videos. So if you touch this play symbol right here, you can click any video and then click play. Well, that's the one I just went away from, so that's why it's not doing. So this is by far, as you see, it started the recording over again. You can see here and hear me because it has audio as well. So this is a wonderful dash cam, and I highly recommend it, the URVOLAX. I got it on Amazon. I think it was around $215 after the warranty and everything. So very good deal and very simple setup.
You can actually scroll up and down to see the to expand the field of view right here. This is what I really like about this one. I usually just set it right here because I usually reverse it, and for household that had child, this is very good features. If I change it to the park or change it to the dry mode, it will automatically go straight to the dual screen mode that I set it as a default.